A glimpse of the snow in Schenectady, folks. We got estimated to be over a foot of snow in Schenectady, Albany, upstate New York. As I am, we've seen the snow coming down very rapidly in pace, and of course it's coming down with good precipitation. Yeah. This is how much snow fell on the ground already. Got about 4 inches added up to the first 5 inches we had before. So estimated to be over a foot of snow. And this is a pile of, a mountain of snow I can show you here. Not a good sight, you know. Many said it's pretty when it just fell down, it's beautiful. Nah, look at this. That's a pile of snow right here. Right there. Yeah. A pile of snow, folks. It's a storm that's passing by, a snowstorm that's passing by in upstate New York at this time. Already hit Buffalo over 4 feet. And this is December 2022. Kind of look beautiful in the trees, as we would say. Looks like a Christmas tree there already dressed up. But that's how the snow accumulates on the ground. Estimated more to fall right here in upstate New York. Just a fast glimpse of snow. That's it there, as it's coming down rapidly. Just a fast glimpse, folks, at December 2022. Jim Boy's Kitchen. Just want to bring to you a little bit of what it's like. And it's kind of a dreary right now. The sky is all gray because of the snow clouds, yes. And you know, many are not taking chances. They're home, staying home at this time, yeah. And drivers are driving with precautions, of course. Like the truck going by there, with precautions, easy to slip and slide on your car. Alright? Precautions is a must right here with this snow. The pile of snow that's coming down very rapidly in pace. Yeah, look at this. That's the snow that's falling right now. Very hectic. And we got the buses that never give up, though. These are the CDTA, Capital District Transportation buses that never gives up. They run 24/7, almost 24/7. Yeah, just a break here and there, maybe in the early mornings. Otherwise they are out to give service from A to Z, all right, for the entire public upstate region. Got a wonderful gentleman here, just walked in the snow. What do you think about the snow, man?
Man, I was never expecting it. I mean, I was waiting for it to come later on, but it's going to be here until Saturday, so I don't know, man.
Which means they're going to have, like, it might fall about approximately maybe over a foot, right?
I think it's 18 inches, yeah. So
18 inches.
Yeah.
Wow, 18 inches of snow expected in upstate New York. Man, yeah, it's a snowstorm.
Absolutely.
That just went through Buffalo.
Turning into a blizzard now.
Turning to a blizzard. Wow, not a good scenery. I mean, it looks beautiful, but hey, we never know what the end of it can be. You know, the accumulation and all of that. All right, of course, I reached a wonderful operator for the Capital District Transportation Authority. What do you think about the snow here, man?
My name is Robert Harris and I drive for Troy Division. The snow is a blessing because when it ain't raining, it got to come down somehow. We still need the precipitation and the water on the earth, so God is good.
Well said. And of course, it ain't going to be worse than this. It's just simply snow, as you say. Frozen water. Frozen
water,
rain.
so get your H2O up. Peace.
All right, very good. Thank you, brother.
Let's smoke cigarettes.
You got it, brother, yes. All right.
Have a good one.
Man, very nice. So this is what, just a glimpse of showing you what, how treacherous this situation is with this snowstorm. And of course, that's a wonderful message here from these gentlemen. A snowstorm expected, one guy said 18 inches. And as I repeat again, the Capital District Transportation Authority, the bus company, does not give up during this weather. They're out there to help everyone, all right? Oh yeah, they're out there to help everyone in this in a situation like this. A snow blizzard, a snowstorm for 2022, December 2022, as they are plowing and getting the place all cleared up as much as they can, but it's very tough to do that, all right? Oh man. Yeah, this is a snow blizzard in upstate New York, Schenectady, Albany, Troy, all over the area in upstate. Yeah. Until the next one, Jim Boy's Kitchen saying thank you once again. December 2022 snowstorm in upstate New York. And living or being in upstate New York in the wintertime, this occasion is so common where you got winter, the snow for winter season that comes in, and participate to give you an enhancement of what winter is. All right, so when you drive, you got to be very careful. It's a very slippery situation. Yeah, it's all about ice, not mud. Mud you sink down. You sink in mud and you come to a full stop. But with ice, you skate, rubber skate, and of course your wheels are all rubber. You know, when you say tires is rubber, when you say wheels is rubber. Some may say the rim is wheel. Okay, let's put it that way, but emphasize it all. The thing that rolls your vehicle is the wheels or the rubber. So you want to be careful when walking on the ice or driving on the ice. Oh man, yes. Schenectady, Jim Boy's Kitchen on another mission here. As we see, the snow plow is just coming by there, passing by, trying to plow as much as he can, trying to clear up the street, and they throw salt to melt the ice as much as they can. It's a snow blizzard 2022, December, folks, in upstate New York. Very slippery and treacherous as motorists are traveling the road of ice. Let's put it the road of ice. So this is what it looks like. Remember, if you're in the south, you're emphasizing yourself on sand or mud. This is how the track wheels, the tire tracks look like. Well, that's how it looks when it's all slushy. Looks like shave ice, right? Yeah. As we could see, the vehicles taking their time coming down in the ice. And this is how you got to drive, because it's very slippery. They're driving with cautions. Yeah, they're taking precautions driving, you see? That's how it is. Any mistake you make, if you drive too fast, you could simply get into a slippery zone. Yeah. See the car is spinning out there? Yeah. So these are the things you have to be careful when driving. Yeah. Or walking. At this time, I don't think running will be in the category. Yeah. You might slip and fall heavy, huh? A little glimpse once again of the snowfall, 2022 December, right here in upstate New York. Going up, as we got some information from one gentleman, 18 inches. It's going to be a blizzard. Well, let's hope not. All right, Jim Boy's Kitchen on another mission saying, be kind to someone that's not kind to you, and kindness will prevail. Until the next one, I say adios, mi amigos, and goodbye, everybody.